I think that they should be held to the highest of high because they are literally doing God's work.
15 years after a spinal cord injury left him paralyzed, Eric LeGrand's comeback story is still being written. He's become a successful entrepreneur, from ventures in whiskey to coffee. But it's the home health aides, he says, that give him that opportunity to succeed each day.
Like I said, they just see me out and about, but you don't see the whole process, the 3-hour process to get me going each morning, and I feel like the lawmakers need to be aware of that.
It could happen to anybody.
Inside his Woodbridge coffee shop, LeGrand invited several state lawmakers to have a discussion on what they can do to bring more funding to home health care.
It allows me to be able to have the life that I have and be able to create businesses for myself, and so many other people should have access to that as well.
LeGrand and his family say home health care workers are not just aides and nurses, they're also family.
I don't know if I could, where things would be right now. Okay, he would definitely not be in the position that he is in as far as being successful, being able to be out and about, because it would be all on me.
Eric's mom, Karen, is by his side each day, but can't do it herself.
When there's, let's say, someone calls out, and because there is a shortage, we can't always have a nurse.
According to advocacy group Hearts for Home Care, more than 4,000 people in New Jersey rely on private duty nurse services. They say advocates are asking state lawmakers to increase the private duty nurse rate by $4 an hour in this year's budget.
We've been successful at getting them higher wages over the last few years, but there's still a long way to go.
Democratic Assemblywoman Carol Murphy says legislators will make sure home health care conversations continue in Trenton.
As the chair of a health committee, I can tell you these are things that we're going to start addressing even more.
Governor Phil Murphy makes his final budget address on Tuesday. In Woodbridge, Jim Vassell, Pix 11.